This is 100 Days of Barn Owl Pair Raising, a complete guide including all the challenges that come with it. Welcome to our beautiful zoo park. Today we are taking you on a very special journey. The journey of a barn owl pair raising their chicks from day 0 to full growth. This is not just a simple story. It is a real-life example of care, teamwork, patience, and responsibility. Day 0, the beginning. Today, inside the safe and quiet birdhouse of our zoo, 2 tiny barn owl chicks have hatched. These babies are born completely helpless, with closed eyes and soft white feathers. Both the mother and father owl work together to keep the chicks warm and protected. Zoo caretakers quietly monitor everything through cameras to make sure there is no disturbance. Daily activity. Sleeping, staying warm. Remaining close to parents, taking tiny bites of food. Day 3. The chicks are now a little more active. They make soft sounds and open their mouths whenever they feel hungry. Zoo caretakers check daily that the nest is clean, the temperature is comfortable, and food is provided on time. Daily activity, eating. Sleeping, staying under the protection of parents. Day 7. After 1 week, the chicks begin to move their heads slightly. Their eyes slowly start to open. The father owl hunts at night and brings fresh food, while the mother feeds the chicks. In the zoo, caretakers make sure that all food is clean, fresh, and healthy. Daily activity. Eating, resting. Responding to sounds, day 10. Day 10. The chicks are growing stronger now. They begin to flap their tiny wings. Small, funny activities start inside the nest, sometimes climbing over each other, sometimes tumbling around. Funny moments. One chick falling over the other. Getting messy while eating, day 14. Day 14. 2 weeks later, their feathers become thicker and stronger. They begin moving around inside the nest. The zoo team checks their weight regularly to ensure proper growth. Day 20. Now the chicks start looking outside the nest. They sleep during the day and stay active at night because barn owls are naturally nocturnal hunters. Zoo caretakers monitor them even at night using special cameras. Educational moment. Barn owls naturally eat mice, insects, and small birds. This is their real and natural diet. Day 25. The chicks have become very playful now. They try to sit on wooden branches and small perches, but sometimes lose balance and slip. The zoo provides safe perches so they can practice safely. Funny activity, flapping wings excitedly. Losing balance and falling, day 30. Day 30. After 1 month, their feathers are almost fully developed. They can now eat small pieces of food by themselves. The father owl shows them how to hold and tear food. Daily activity, wing exercises. Small jumps, becoming more active at night. Day 35. The young owls are becoming more independent. They learn to hold food with their claws. Zoo caretakers provide training environments similar to their natural habitat. Day 40. For the first time, they attempt small flights. They fly a short distance and quickly land again. A very exciting and emotional moment. Funny moment. Bumping lightly into the wall while learning to fly, quickly recovering and trying again. Day 45. Now they can fly much better. They remain active mostly at night. Caretakers prepare larger flight cages to help them practice flying freely. Day 50. By now, the chicks have almost turned into young adult owls. They make their own sounds, play with each other, and eat independently. Daily activity. Flying, playing, practicing hunting skills. Day 60, at this stage, they are fully independent. The parents only watch them from a distance. Zoo staff perform regular health checkups and observe their feather condition. Day 70, 80. During this period, they learn complete adult behavior, silent flight, night vision skills, proper hunting techniques. Day 90. The young barn owls now become part of the zoo's educational program. Visitors watch them and learn how important owls are for nature and the ecosystem. Day 100. Full growth. After 100 days, the chicks have grown into fully developed young barn owls. Strong, beautiful, and confident. Role of zoo caretakers. Inside the zoo, their daily care includes cleaning the enclosure, preparing proper food, health checkups, providing a safe environment, protecting them from stress, encouraging natural behaviors. Message. Barn owls are extremely important for nature. They control the population of mice and protect crops naturally. But due to loss of forests and human activities, their numbers are decreasing. Zoo parks play a vital role in protecting and conserving this beautiful species. Note, this journey is not recorded in a single day. It takes months of patience, effort, and dedication. Sometimes a few moments are recreated using AI only to complete the story, not to change reality, but to present the full journey clearly. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more real, educational, and amazing animal stories for you.
It's been wonderful having you here with us today. Goodbye, and we hope to see you again soon.